Today we are going to be unboxing and calibrating this digital analytical balance. Let's see what we have in the box. We have our power cable. We have the protective cases. We are going to be unboxing this. You have the standard mass. This is a 200 gram standard mass. And then we have our machine. So this machine is a 500 gram machine, which means it can weigh at a maximum of 500 gram, and also it has a minimum of 0.01 gram. So that's the sensitivity and that's the minimum mass it can carry. So behind the machine we have the switch. There's a power switch and also the specification showing the capacity, which is 500 gram, and then the division, which is 0.01 gram. Also here we have the port for powering the machine, so it's electrically powered only. Now I'm going to be setting up the plastic protective case, so watch me as I do that. So our box is set, and I'm just going to place it over our machine. Now we are going to power on the machine, and then we'll see how it works and also calibrate it. Now our machine is plugged to source. You can see an indication here that it's plugged to source. So I'm going to power it on by pressing the switch just behind here. So our machine is powered on. We'll just wait a few moments for it to be ready for use. Now the machine is ready for use. So to check if our machine is calibrated, if it's still okay, we place the standard mass on it, in the pan, and if we have exactly 200 grams being displayed here, then we know that our machine is calibrated. Now we have 200.06, so it means that this is a bit off. So I'm going to recalibrate this machine right now so that we'll have our exact 200 grams. So to do that, you take off the mass, power off your machine, and turn it back on. Now machine is set. So you press on this car or tar/car button and press and hold. Now we have this car displayed and then the 200 being displayed. So since it's flashing, it's expecting that you put a standard 200 gram mass on it, which it will always use as the reference point. So we're going to place our 200 gram mass on the pan, and always try to put it at the center of the pan. So as much as possible, I'm going to put this at the center. And now it has been calibrated. So I'm going to turn the machine off and turn it on again. Now if our machine is properly calibrated, when I put this mass on the pan, we should have exactly 200 grams. And here we have it, exactly 200 grams. So our machine is properly calibrated. So to get this machine and any other kind of balance or laboratory equipment, do send us a message by clicking the link provided anywhere on this video, or visit our website at www.simmyfranks.com.